Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read the sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this record that I'm providing very crucial, very important civil justice sign off for myself. And it's a multitasking is the wisdom. With that said, I'll quickly read through this civil justice. Prostitutes Antichrist, Pope Francis, and prostitute Antichrist absolute monarchs, and prostitute Antichrist Republican government, and prostitute Antichrist Democrat government, prostitute Antichrist Senate, prostitute Antichrist Congress, prostitute Antichrist GOP, prostitute Antichrist House of Representatives, prostitute Antichrist President 1 up until President 44 of USA, provided all USA amendments tax fraud, deadliest crime, classified as war crimes of slavery and hatred and discrimination, classification of Holocaust, Nazism. And March 2021, 46th President Joe Biden must resign now, immediate, for provided USA amendments tax fraud. And Antichrist alias prostitute alias Lucifer alias Satan is Roman Catholic Christianity, Jesuits leader. Pope Francis destroyed USA national operations, must resign now. And I, Vedapriya Prose, must be the Vatican leader now according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. And I, Vedapriya Prose, proved elections 2020 tax fraud crime. And I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, true owner of USA, should be the interim leader of USA now according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. And I, Vedapriya Prose, should be the family law judge and children law judge and medical and finance law judge, and all types of judge for all nations, and must be global poverty relief medical director chief for all nations now, according to the Holy Bible guidelines only. Pope Francis must pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans for destroyed USA national operations with fatal negligence and failed in guard of USA job. And what is the First Amendment? Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. Thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.